Hey, what's up guys? What's up YouTube?
My name is Martin and this is my daddy Reka.
Hey, what's up guys? And we're back again for another unboxing and a quick review.
Yes.
So today we're going to unbox another figure from the Star Wars movie. Of course, as usual, we've been.
Which?
This one is not new. It's an old one. Yeah. It's an old release.
Princess.
We've been keeping this for a long time again, as usual.
Yeah. I think it's the Force Awakens.
No.
Last
She's still
Jedi.
young. She's still young.
Oh, right.
She's still young.
So which one is this?
So this one, I think it's from the A New Hope, Empire Strikes Back, I think. Yeah, I think Empire Strikes Back. Let me check, guys. Let me check. Yes, I knew it.
Empire Strikes.
Yes, okay. So again, this from the movie
Empire Strikes Back.
Yeah, Empire Strikes Back, episode 2. Episode 5, I think.
And this is MMS 423.
MMS 423.
And
yes.
of course, made by hottoys 1/6 scale collectibles.
Yeah.
Movie masterpiece.
Yes. Wow, and I like this pose. I like this print. Because of that.
Death Star.
Death Star, yeah, and of course Princess Leia.
She's floating in space.
Yeah. Ooh, wow, nice. You can see, oh, this one has a lot of accessories.
Yes.
Yeah, she has a lot of accessories, right? So, how many pairs of hands?
She has 2 pairs of hands and 1 extra.
Ooh, nice. 2 pairs of hands and 1 extra. So extra 2 pairs of hands and 1 just single hand gesture.
Yeah.
So this one is 2 pair, 1 pair already, bare hand, 1 pair hand, and then just 3 sets of right hand, yeah, with gloves on. Take it up first, the figure.
Take out
Wow.
the figure.
Nice. It's still protected. Oops. Oh, and his hair is still protected. Still new, guys. Still new. Of course, we haven't opened this one for a long time. Oh, I like this figure. I like it.
Yeah.
Oh, I love her face here. I love the head sculpt.
So
I love the details. And the details very nice here.
It's so smooth. It's like she has no wrinkles.
Of course, she's still young, eh? She's
Probably in
still
her
young.
20s.
That's why.
It's like my face, no wrinkles.
Nice. I love this one. I love this figure, guys. I'm sure most of Star Wars collectors love this Hot Toys from the Empire Strikes Back. Because the details very nice.
Yeah. Wow.
Very nice, guys. Very
So
nice.
smooth.
Yes. And then the base. So this is the base, guys. The base is from part of they were in the
That's all. That's their
I
ship.
forgot the place, snow. Forgot that place of that snow.
Planet.
Oops, this is the problem here on this base of Star Wars. It always falls down, so you have to put some glue, super glue, so it won't fall down. There you go. Yes, there you go. You can see her. Now we're blurred. Yes. Okay, so my head is cut. Just sorry about that, guys. So let's move on to her accessories. Of course, her gun.
Yeah.
Her gun. Very nice gun. Wow, nice, guys.
Ooh.
And then this one is, you can see right here.
It's definitely.
It's like a machinery. It's like a tools. And then this one, her mask. Yeah, something like that, guys. Something like this. Something like this, I think. For her, something like gas mask. Oxygen mask, yeah, oxygen mask, yeah. Yeah, because they came, they went out from their base, so.
But it doesn't really work.
I mean, yeah, her goggles right here.
For the snow.
For the snow, so you can see right here.
Snowstorm.
Her goggles. Yeah.
That's it. And the
Yeah.
manual.
And the manual, we can quick, very quick look for that name of those accessories. So yeah, her oxygen,
Tank.
wearing the breath mask and the oxygen tank, a small oxygen tank, and her goggles. And what else? Yeah, this one.
Wait, don't have. What's this?
Oh, goggles, or maybe goggles that she's trying to maybe welding or on her neck, right? So yeah, I think that's it, guys. Just a very quick one first.
Clones.
Okay, so just a very quick review, guys. The details very nice, of course. I'm sure you've seen her on other reviews, other channels, or other collectors reviewing her. For me, very nice figure. For me, it's a must. For me, it's a must if you love Princess Leia. If you're a fan of Princess Leia too, because the details on her face, it's very nice, very movie accurate. I mean, yeah, it's really nice. It's very smooth. The paint job. I mean, it's compared to other female figure face. I mean, this figure, this Princess Leia Star Wars from the Empire Strikes Back episode is very nice. I mean, the hair, the eyes, the nose, the lips, the paint job's very nice, smooth and clean. I mean, very movie accurate right now. And of course, her costume is very nice too. Fabric material or silky.
Really for snow, winter.
And very clean too. You know, the details, the tailored, the stitch,
Color.
and accessories very nice too. Of course, to have and then of course the articulation is very nice too. Yeah, very nice, smooth. Yeah, elbows, shoulder to elbows. Yeah, see, double jointed. The waist, of course, not that much. But the legs, the thigh, the knees. Yeah, you can bend it. Yeah, it won't break or damage her suit.
Yes, really smooth.
It's thick. You can really feel the very snow outfit.
You can feel the cotton inside.
Yeah, and it's thick. It's not thin material. So that's why I like it. It's very nice. Even the boots, very nice too, guys. The details are very nice. Yeah, rubber, leather, Materials, very nice, right? How about you, Marty? What can you say about this figure? Very nice.
The face is really movie accurate, very detailed, so smooth, and then the hair braid. Yeah, it's a really good job for Hot Toys. They did a really good job on this. And then they also made the like clothes really like winter like. Really, it's like something you would really wear for winter.
Yes.
And the gun, really detailed as well. And you see, look through it. Not really, but in the movies you can. And this thing, the breathing mask, and then the oxygen tank,
air mask,
and then this thing. Yeah, everything is really detailed.
Yeah. Although you can see some lint or some
dust.
No, not dust from the fabric material. Yeah.
Coming out of it.
Lint cut.
I think it is lint.
Yeah, something like that. Right, and then but everything is okay. Everything is fine. Perfect. Yeah. It's just that the base, of course. It's always like this. It's always like this for any Star Wars figure.
Yeah.
Mostly to this kind of base.
They should improve stuff.
Always,
they should improve it.
Yeah, maybe you can remove it for space. You know, you can. I don't know. I'm not sure. Yeah, not for space. But yeah, you know, they should.
Or you can just put it.
Really
here.
put the can be also another idea.
Can be put in.
Yes, can be too. So it won't. I think for the space, if you really want to
Like
put more space,
this.
it's a must for Star Wars lover or hardcore fan. It's very nice, guys. Very nice figure, right? That's all you can get from this figure. This Princess Leia figure from the Star Wars, from Empire Strikes Back. Yeah. Well, very nice. Even the base. I mean, even the base. Also the details, the paint job for making it a snow effect.
Yes.
Also nice. Yeah. Okay. Very nice figure, guys. And then if you have any questions, what do you think about this figure? Yeah, I'm sure you have also this one.
Yeah.
It's just like we haven't really opened right away when we received this one. Almost a year. I think this one is almost a year. I think.
Yeah, because we don't have much time. We usually open the new boxes.
Yeah, for now, because we try to be updated for you guys, of course, to share also action, right?
If you want to watch our next video, please subscribe down below and leave a like, and you can comment down below if you have any suggestions, questions, or anything.
Yes. Yeah, all done. Yeah, bye guys. Thank you for watching. Peace out. Yeah. Yes, all done.
It off now. Turning it
Hi.
off. Yeah.
Daddy.